All right, also from section 3.1, we're going to do one of the more challenging things in this chapter now. This is a little bit difficult, so you might want to view this video more than once. First, please write down these notes. I very purposefully did these notes in color because we've got 3 different processes for this that can be difficult to keep track of. You might want to copy me in that you highlight these or write these different things in different colors. It might help you as you go through the process. So again, if you do need to pause the video to get these notes down, please do so. Okay, so there's 3 different steps for finding a difference quotient. We're first going to evaluate or simplify f of x plus h. Then we're going to subtract f of x from that. And then whatever that answer is, then we're going to divide all of that by h. All right, so step 1, which I'm going to do in red. I am going to take this function, and I'm going to substitute x plus h anywhere I see an x. So, f of x plus h equals 3 times, instead of x, I'm going to put x plus h. And then I'm going to square it just like the function says to do. I'm going to bring down the minus 2, and again, instead of x, I'm going to do x plus h. Now, before I do this green step, part B, or the blue step, part C, I want to put this in simplest form. So, here I'm going to use the rule to square a binomial that I keep insisting you know how to do. I'm going to bring down the 3, and then I've got a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Copy the rest down. So exponents first. Now I'm going to distribute the 3 to this parentheses and the negative 2 to that parentheses. Okay, and the negative 2 to the second parentheses. All right, so I believe that this is the simplest form of f of x plus h. I don't see any like terms that I could combine together. All right, so now what I want to do is I'm going to take f of x plus h, and I'm going to subtract f of x from it. Okay, so in the green step, this is part B, right? F of x plus h, subtract f of x. Okay, so the red is all of this. I'm going to subtract f of x from that. Well, f of x is 3x squared minus 2x. So in parentheses, so I remember to subtract the whole thing, 3x squared minus 2x. Okay. All right, I'm going to distribute this negative. So again, I'm going to copy down what f of x plus h is. And distribute the negative to f of x. And now I'm going to combine like terms. So it looks like 3x squared and negative 3x squared cancel. And it also looks like negative 2x and positive 2x cancel. So I will be left with 6hx plus 3h squared minus 2h. So this is f of x plus h minus f of x. All right, so now one more step. Now I'm going to divide all of this by h. F of x plus h minus f of x